Bam bam ba-dam bam 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 ba-da-dam bam bam bam. Bam 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 bam. Bam ba-dam bam 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 bam. Bam ba-dam bam 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 bam. Ba-dam bam 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 ba-dam bam 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 ba-da ba ba-da ba ba-da ba ba-da ba-dam ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh. Ba-da. Ba ba da ba da ba ba da ba ba da ba bum 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 ba da ba da bum 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 bum. Well, welcome. We are about ready to get started yet again today with a great stream where we yet again work on our wonderful web extension. As you can tell, I have found a way to implement the music credits on this screen as well. And the way I've done that? Through OBS. So yesterday I was streaming and we found that, okay, using WebSockets to OBS causes problems sometimes if you put too much stuff through it. So if I tried to animate multiple scenes through OBS WebSockets, it would fuck up. It would make my browser run like 2 FPS, it would crash my browser eventually, it would make the text like glitch out, the animation, it's not good. But with a single one it seems to work okay enough, so the question is how can we implement the multiple scenes, and the answer is we do it through OBS. There's a plugin called Source Clone. And the Source Clone, if I pull my OBS up here, allows you to create a source that copies another source. Now, you can't copy like text directly, but like it won't move if you do that, but you can copy a scene. So what you can do is you can create a standalone on this scene in your different scenes where you want this to be present. So yeah, here we have the source clone. It looks like this. And it allows you to set the source, and it just works. It's great. So that's something you can do. So yeah, I managed to get the sort of thing on all of my multiple different scenes. I will be documenting this when I make documentation as well, which I have yet to do. But today we're doing work on this stuff. Let me get you my code. We will begin. So here's our manifest file, and here's our absolute cluster file of a background.js, which I need to refactor somehow. But as I found yesterday also, I can't really refactor it. It's doing that is also broken. So I can move like X setting here, but I can't like move this into a function or move this into a function because I don't know, fucking browser extension JavaScript bullshit. Anyways, doesn't matter, whatever. My voice is not muted. Okay, doesn't matter, it's not making sound anyway, but I muted the source clone because it really doesn't, in case I ever make it play sound, because I don't want it to play sound. Anyways, so today our main thing is right now, I think we're pretty much done. Like the extension per context looks like this in the pop-up. ChatGPT with modifications from my side made a great UI. Again, with a bunch of work from me as well, but the front end is there. Now we can turn off like the animation and the music icons, etc. we'll work on all of that. But anyways, right now I want to do some stuff. First of all, I want to go to my CSS and I want to... Okay, this is already good. That's already in pixels, so we don't need to fuck with that. This should all be good to go. Yeah, the CSS should be... I mean, we probably need to like refactor the visuals, but it's fine. Alright, we went to Mario Kart music. Let's go. But in our background we have some values. So first of all we have our end position. Now 1920 works when you're working with a 1080p screen, a 1920 wide screen as I am. But that wouldn't work with everybody. So I want to make this customizable. I want to make all of this, like index, start X, duration, steps. You know, these things, I want to make them customizable. I want to make them, you know, in the UI here. I want to like animation settings, put animate text there, and then the other things there also. I also want to modify how the animation works, because right now, to make the animation work, you have to fully refresh the page. Like, not with a different video, but like, you know, click the refresh button, or F5. Meanwhile, that's the name text changing is based on tab update. So I want to figure out a way to do it in tab update here, so it only runs the animation once. So I'm not sure how to do that, but yeah, I want to do that. So that's where we are at with that. But yeah, I also want to try out, can we make it work while removing the active tab permission? Because I don't think we are using active tab for anything, but we might need it, if I recall. So that works. Let me switch songs. Yeah, no, it looks like it works without the permission. Let's play some Mario Kart Wii music. I bought a Wii as well, and my Wii arrived today. I have yet to play with it because I'm trying to charge up the controllers, and that seems to take a long time. Like, I have had them like in charge for like an hour or two. They're not even usable yet, so I guess I'm looking at them tomorrow. Or maybe the batteries don't work, I'm not sure. I bought it secondhand for really cheap, so we'll find out. But okay, looks like we don't need to activate the permission, which is good. I like having, you know, less stuff in the permissions. So right now we have scripting, which we need for, you know, calling a script as we do here. Then we need tabs. We need that for identifying, you know, what tab we are on, I guess. Or to like identify the like updated tab, and then storage, we need to store data, to store, you know, like, to store like our settings basically, and whatnot, so, and to store also the currently playing song, stuff like that. So yeah, we are using all of these things to make this whole system work, and like, it already works perfectly, like, there's no problem with how it works. But I want that in, you know, again, able to like customize it so it can work on a different size screen, or you can assign this, you can change the speed and stuff of the animation, you know, in the UI instead of having to rewrite the extension code, anything, you know, stuff like that. Make it functional, right? So yeah, we want to begin with our HTML. As usual, make the front end first. So let's see, where is our, okay, so we probably want to add here, okay, so I probably want to do, so you have a div class settings for all of the like different sections. So I want to move this up here. I want to make an, okay, we put this inside of another div. And then we need an H3 here for the title. And then we want to do animation settings. Actually, just animation configuration. I like the rhymings. It's extension configuration, just like the main heading, and then it's like animation configuration for this one. Now there's two rhyming ones. I like that. So now, you know, it has this section separately, which is good. Very good at other options here. Well, yeah, we need to figure out a way to filter to integers as well, because I don't want to like create errors by putting letters in it. Like, I don't want errors like that, so... I mean, there's already full of errors, which don't matter, I guess, but... let's do... how many fields do we need? We want... start X? I mean, I guess we... Nah, I guess I'll do like recording width, like actually, can I pull this straight from OBS? I don't want to do more. I don't want to really do more API calls. It's already causing problems. So I don't know. Like, do we want to API figure out? Okay, whatever. Let's look at the OBS WebSocket documentation and let's see if it because if it has that. I want to be ready for the recording info, because there's a way to get some recording details, so I want to find out, can we get the recording width, because if we can automate that, then that's perfect. Because I don't want to really that image to be customizable. I want it to be this basic thing. Get video settings, is it that one? Oh, okay, I guess this one would work. Base width, right? Like if we make the or wait, is it output width? Which one is it? Output or base? I guess it's the base one, right? I'm just going to ask ChatGPT as usual. Of course, it could be wrong, but my idea now is base. I'm going to see if ChatGPT agrees. If not, we're investigating further. In OBS, there is base width and output width. What is the difference? Okay. Yeah, I figure. Okay, okay. If I want to configure the position of an item, would I use base or output width? Yeah, base. Okay, so we can actually get the... I think we just like automatically do this part. So we define the width based on the output width. So we can do get video settings. Let's try to get this to work already. So instead of doing index randomly, we can do the steps customizable. We want to do this customizable, we want to do duration customizable. But for now, let's make this work. So let's see, what do we use? Get video settings. And then const video settings equals to... Oh yeah, I copied the const as well, whatever. Get video settings. What do we need to put in? Do I need to actually give it anything? I guess I don't have to actually like give it any values, so we can just and then let's just do console.log video settings. Let's just get our console log first. Base width, and it returns base width. Yeah. Okay, let's reload this. Okay, it's getting 1920. Okay, okay, that works. So we don't need to console log this anymore. We can just set index to this, and then we reload it. Okay, now it should go all the way. Let's just check that the animation works the whole way. Because now we don't need to customize. Like, if it works, it works. I like it being automated. Like, I only want to make this specific animation right now. I don't want to make anything more fancy. For this release anyway. You know, the initial release of this public. Like, this is only a side function anyway. The main function is to output the video thing, which I already did like 2 days ago. So, yeah. We are getting things done. We're getting okay. Looks like it works. Nice. We can now this should scale. Like if there's like a smaller screen, it should just work. I'm going to test it on my own time, like recording. You know, make sure that it like works. I'm not gonna mess with OBS now, but I'll check that it like does like it works properly on other resolutions. Okay, so we need to, I guess, steps and duration. I think we can do duration in seconds as opposed to milliseconds, so multiply it by 1,000. And then we need to do and in steps, I think we'll just do steps. We can also automatically set steps, but I don't think we want to. I think the user should be able to control how smooth it is. I want the like actual animation, like quality or how it works to be very customizable. God, I love this Pepetru code. I love the fucking like moving picture thing I made. It's so good. I mean, it's so fucking good. The unfortunate truth of that code though is I can't make it direct with WebSockets because I would need to make images as I move. The problem is that would not work for performance with multiple scenes. I already found that out, so... I mean, I guess I could make it in a base scene and then, but I think it would still perform badly because it would require a lot of calls because I'm moving like 3 different transformations at the same time. It wouldn't really work because of how complicated it is. So I think the current Pygame approach is the best for that. And recording it would be a pain in the ass. Okay, so let's see. We want to copy two input label sets. Here. So we want to do definitely not IP. This one can be duration. Label for duration. Oh wait, I copied accidentally. Whoopsie. Idachi 30. Duration. We are going to make it in seconds. And then like steps or rather smoothness. Steps. Animation steps. Let's say that. Adachi 1920. And we'll default to 1920 as well. We'll have default values for everything. And smoothness. Oh yeah, we probably want this not in the ID, but in the actual text. Okay, we don't want that, and then we move the label above the actual text. Bam, now we should have an UI like this, yep. Yeah, so animation like steps means how many times. I don't know of a better way. It's not an ideal like clear explanation. Promise, I don't know how to do it better. So we're going to use like this is a very technical thing anyway. If you're a streamer, you can probably figure this out, even if you're not technical, because like these are all the things you would be dealing with in OBS, I guess. Like if you're working with WebSockets, like you know, with server IPs and ports. You know, I think you'll be fine with the animation steps, and you can just leave everything on default, and it will at least work in some capacity. And probably most people are streaming in 1080p anyway, so it should be fine. And like I think 1920 would still look okay, even if you were like doing 1440p or something. Like it should still look okay, not the best, but okay. Fucking Gardevoir is so good. Fucking Gardevoir is it's just a good fucking soundtrack. Like, there's not many Zelda soundtracks. Like, I see my playlist only has 2 Zelda soundtracks. I actually don't like that many Zelda soundtracks, but Gerudo Valley is really fucking good. Great Fairy Fountain is also great. So, yeah, those are my Zelda favorites, you could call it. But yeah, let's work on... What are we doing next? Oh yeah, we need to make this. We need to figure out how to filter this. How to filter these into integers. Oh yeah, the port as well. We have to filter to integer. Okay, I mean these ones are fine. It's just going to fail connecting if they are wrong. That's not a problem. Problem is these ones we're using pretextual animation. I think it will actually like, you know, like. We might as well filter out the port as well, why not? Server IP needs to be with an alt text because localhost. But yeah, we need to definitely work through our filtering. So, well, first of all, we can just add them to be saved. We can check that, you know, the saving works, and then we can do the filtering. So let's go to pop-up.js and let's add in elements. So, const animation duration. Oh, fucking another rhyme. Let's go. Another pun. Duration, I think is what I called it. Yeah, duration. I guess we don't really need. We're gonna just go duration. We are using very basic here. And then we can make the other one smoothness. We're using the same names as the HTML here, like, so we should stick to our conventions. And then we can add in where is, okay, here we go. Duration, animation duration. We can do the pun here. It's important that we do that. Animation smoothness. Duration dot value equals to result dot animation enabled or 30. No, we want it to be empty. We want text here to be empty. The 30 is in the and then smoothness dot value. Oh, whoops! Animation duration equals the result dot animation smoothness. Okay, now I think this will just save themselves because I have code that just literally saves them as they are. This is a nice short JavaScript file as well compared to the other one anyway. Let's reload it. So now, oh whoops, I need to yeah, we need to do... Let's reload it. This one actually fucked up the values. No, it didn't. Okay, good. So now if you type in here, like, I don't know, 3090, whatever, this should autosave. Wait, why does it not work? That is... Oh, we haven't added them into the... Okay, that... is not correct. I'm going to need to change my OBS password in a second. I forgot to add in them in the... I know why this is happening. Animation duration and animation smoothness here. Okay, now it's fixed. Now it should work properly. Thank God. I fucked it. Yeah, so it destroyed this, so I need to do, you know, I need to redo my settings for this. Okay, that should be done, and I'm going to change my password in OBS as well, because, well, let me change my scene first, because, well, I just showed my password, that's why. Hopefully nobody saw it. Generate new password, apply, show connection info, copy that. Your society. The show button stopped working. Why? Okay, this is a bit broken. The show button. What happened? Wait, I'm trying to fix this. Okay, so the extension is broken. Wait a second. I need to reload it and check the code. So I'm not going to show this because I don't want. I'm trying to paste in a password and shit. What happened? No, that should be the same. They shouldn't. Oh, I think I need to... Why did that button stop working? What happened? Oh no. Something is broken about the code and I don't know what. Did I just forget a semicolon somewhere? No? What happened? Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, this is a problem, this is a problem. Why is the show button not showing? Did the code for that get removed or like... Wait a second, no? Why did this not... Wait. This is broken. Why is this broken? What happened? It's enabled... This should all be the same. Okay, I'm going to reset this. And we'll fix it again later. Why is it fucked up? Okay, server IP this, no, no, no. Okay, this should be updated now. Okay, now everything works. Let me switch songs in YouTube and see if this works. I think I need to refresh the entire page. Wait a second. This is for the animation too. Why is the animation not happening? Did I have the scene wrong? Let me check the logs. Oh yeah, okay, it has the wrong values for server IP. Well, it's not succeeding because it's not loading the thing. What happened? I need to, I think, manually define. I think I need to manually define the values. Shouldn't be a problem, but... Okay, let's switch songs. Why is everything wrong? What happened with it? I'm wrong everything. What the fuck happened? It would help if it actually logged anything. It doesn't even log anything anymore. It's not even giving me any of my logs. It's just not running anymore. What is happening? It's not giving me logs. What is with the logs? Why is it not giving me logs? Fuck, I'm pissed off now. What is happening? Oh my god, it's broken. I'm going to exit this entirely. Something broke. I don't know what broke. Correct? What is happening? Okay, I'm going to do this. I don't know what happened, but I'm going to remove this from my browser. And we'll load it again. This is... oh my god. Okay, now... we paste in my password. I'm going to hide this. We'll see if this actually works in any capacity. Source name, okay, now we just refresh the entire page. It should start the animation. If it doesn't, then it's broken. Why is it broken? What the fuck? Is the OBS wrong? It would help if it actually gave me logs. I have logs. Why is it not giving me logs? What do you mean too hidden? What am I printing? What? 39. Okay, let me double check this fucking line. What the fuck? What the fuck? No, that's a correct source name. What the fuck happened? Okay, we're gonna put it exactly as it was. I am not dealing. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Something broke and I don't understand what broke. Okay, this can stay. This shouldn't affect the functionality in any way. What the fuck happened? What the fuck happened? It's still not doing the animation. Why is it not doing the animation? Why is it not changing the... what the fuck? Is that an OBS thing? It's not showing me that it's failing or anything like that. Is it the active tab thing? It would help if it gave me logs. Holy shit, why is it not giving me my logs? It should be running the code. Did we fuck up the YouTube watch? No, we didn't. Let's try creating the active tab thing. It could be that. Nope. What is it doing? What the fuck? How is this not working? It's the same. The code didn't change. What happened? What happened? Is the current song text wrong? Should be correct. What the fuck? It's the same code. What is this? Oh, I fucking hate JavaScript so fucking much right now. How is the same code not working anymore? It's saying it's working. Everything, all of my scripts are saying it's working. Why is it not working? How does this happen? What is the logic behind this? I had to reset my browser? What happened? How did that break it that much? I get that the JavaScript is a bit broken, I get that. Okay, we're going to return this back to normal as well. We're going to reset everything. And then we're going to figure what the fuck is happening. I'm getting very annoyed though. Like very actively annoyed. What is happening? What is happening? They just switch things around. What is it doing? It would tell me if it's failing to connect to OBS. So it's not even running the code to connect to OBS. I don't understand why it's just running the code to connect to OBS. What is happening? But it's saying it's connected. Bruh. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. Because like it's running this function, and that should set this console.log video. Okay, we're going to do video title here. Okay, let's fucking see our console logs. We're going to check that this shit fucking runs properly. It's finding it. It's like everything should be good to go. Is OBS just fucking up with me, or like... Let me restart OBS. Start the stream itself.